So the Azoth Extreme is our new kind of like flagship gaming keyboard. It's completely customizable, meaning that like if it's an interesting product in my mind. It's like I'm not a big keyboard guy, but if you know custom keyboards, they can be extremely expensive up to like $800. So this is kind of like the next step up from our Azoth that's already in the market, which last I saw at Squawk is just over $300. This will obviously come in quite a bit more expensive. Yeah, like an aluminium top cover. It's got an aluminium base. It's got carbon fiber plate for rigidity. It's quite heavy. It feels very weighty. These are all the different levels that all fit into this chassis. And the chassis as well has an adjustable gasket mount, so you can have it be kind of soft or hard, which changes kind of like the feel of when you type it. The silicon pad, the PCB, there's like obviously a lot of attention to detail even in the design, because even most people will probably never see this. It's nice to know that I guess the engineering teams put that in there. And the switch pad and the dampening foam is really also helps it, because a lot of people these days they care about the sound and the feel, the typing experience. Like these are some of the examples of the switch pads kind of like put them in. And the idea with the Azoth as well is it's quite a affordable method to get into the fully custom keyboard market. And it'll come with all of the switches and all the keys, and it comes with tools to supplement out if you like. So, you're using this keyboard, 6 months later, you're finally feeling like, okay, maybe I'll try some gather all around or something like that. But if you want to have a feel of how heavy the keyboard is, and you can get a sense of just how much metal there is in there, there's absolutely no deflex. I'm a pretty big guy, and this thing is just absolutely solid. It also comes with a touchscreen OLED panel in the top corner, so obviously it's beautiful. And you can set it to monitor whatever you like. Right now it's just checking your keystrokes per second. You can set it to monitor your CPU temperatures, all sorts of other things. Volume controls as well on the side, press play. Magnetized rubber feet that you can change out, or obviously completely remove. And it's just small attentions to detail that are very premium. This little metal plate, which is where you store the wireless dongle as well. Tri-mode connected as well. Bluetooth 2.4 or plugging it in. It comes with the ROG Azoth as well.